friends, I am doing this video in English to make the world understand the effective way of Indian living. See, Indians are proving something today to the whole world. They are proving that we are genetically, we are resistant. We are resistant to so many rogue viruses, though we are very close to Wuhan and we are in a population way, we are densely packed. Indian cities are densely packed. India is packed with 130 crore people, yet only 2 have died so far. And we are live and kicking as an economy. There are so many containing measures taken to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Yet we are all happy. We will go around, take a photo shot of the city, Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu. See, I am dressed as a typical village Tamilian. Yes, this is the way we Tamilians are. I am proud of my ancient Tamil culture. We lived an affluent and rich and peaceful life some 3,000 years back, maybe 5,000 years back, maybe 10,000 years back. Yes, see, up to certain depth, we have found excavated recently in Keeladi and Adichanallur evidence of ancient civilization. We know Tamil is the oldest language, and we Tamilians are proud of our culture. And we want to teach the world something. Now, to thrive during this time of natural calamity, yes, the viruses are acting against us. Yes, the smallest organisms are going against the highest intelligent people in the world. Yes, Yuval Noah Harari, he has said that humans are becoming godlike with their equipments, with their artificial intelligence. Yes, we have become godlike. So, the nature is turning against us. We are behaving not like humans. So, the nature is turning against us. We should revert back to our olden culture, where peace, harmony, luxury, everything flourished. See, I want to talk about, yesterday I told about the most powerful antioxidants. I want the whole world to know the richness of Indian knowledge, Indian heritage. So now this is a Chinese lady. I got this after a lot of struggle. This is a Chinese lady, our close cousins. And this is banana leaf. This is banana leaf. See, in all our weddings and vegetarians use this leaf for eating. Not metallic, not plastic, not even glass. Even now we use this leaf. All vegetarians use this leaf. On all auspicious days we use this leaf. So this is one culture. We eat with our fingers, not with spoons or forks or not with sticks. We eat with our hands. People may look down upon us, but I am proud to say that I eat with my fingers. And we use these utensils. See, yesterday, some few days back, my husband took me to a Indian cultural, heritage things exhibition in Delhi. So there I found this. This is an ancient tawa where we make chapatis, rotis, dosas, all those things. And this is earthenware. Very, very eco-friendly. Plastics are not, melamines are not. So we use these vessels for cooking. And I want to talk to you about antioxidants. which strengthen our immune system. I am a living example for that. I will show you all my medical history. Okay, my anti-cancer antigens are high because I drink this tea made of all Ayurvedic and Tamil medicines. Okay, I will explain everything to you. So, we cannot fight against nature. Please understand. We are also natural people. We are nature made. We evolved with the highest intelligence and creativity, beauty and everything. But we should not turn against nature. We are the only animals in this whole world who eat for pleasure, who eat for fashion, who eat for killing other animals. We are not hungry and killing other animals to eat. We are avaricious. We are greedy. We are inhuman. We want to kill innocent animals and eat them. We don't eat when we are hungry. We eat when we are full. No, no. Pasittapin pusi. That is an ancient old proverb. Thousands of years old. Pasittapin pusi. Eat only when you are hungry. See, we should adapt to this culture. Okay, we are all human beings. We love each other. Now, these rogue viruses are turning against us. Will it stop with this coronavirus? No. We have to live, continue to live. Our grandchildren, grandchildren's children, they have to live in this beautiful world. We cannot become extinct. I want to tell the whole world that we cannot live against these wonderful viruses. We are recently evolved, but the viruses are millions of years old, even billions. They existed maybe in the solar system. They existed maybe in the universe, far away galaxies, millions of light years away. So we cannot fight against these viruses with our little knowledge, with our man-made chemicals, with our man-made pharmaceuticals. No, we should adapt the ways of nature. That's why I am here. See, don't worry, another virus will kill this rogue virus. Rogue viruses will keep on coming, but the viruses will control these rogue viruses. This is taught in my culture. See, sometimes the elephant go berserk. We have temple elephants in our culture. We have temple elephants. They are domesticated. Okay, all our temples have elephants. We love our elephants. There is one god, Lord Ganesha, where we love him as a god. And peacocks, all these, even the lowly rats, is the friend of Lord Ganesha. Okay, so I want to tell you that another virus will come which will control this coronavirus. Yes, it is made like that. How we control an elephant which has gone berserk? Yes, we use Kumki elephants. Okay, one elephant which is a good elephant, which has social sense, which is domesticated. This Kumki elephant will control another elephant which has gone berserk or rogue elephant. So don't worry, be peaceful, be calm. One virus will come and control this coronavirus. Don't be afraid, relax. Let's revert back to our ancient society. Okay, so you know Tamil is one of the ancient cultures. See, and India as a peninsula, they have found recently that the genome of the Harappan civilization and the Keeladi civilization is both are same. Yes. So we as Indians, I want to tell you about these Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani and all these Indian medicine system. Okay. So I will tell you about these drumstick leaves. Yes, even in Australia, now they cultivate this in large quantities and make a lot of money out of it. Yes, see, this is the antioxidant rich plant in the world. Yes, in the world. Okay, so antioxidant, what is it? It fights against oxygen free radicals in the body, which can cause cancer, reduce our immunity, weaken our defense system, natural defense system. So eat this in lots. And I will show you the seeds, drumstick seeds, eat that. Okay, these increase your immune power. Use leaves, we use lotus leaves and all these things for packaging food material. Okay, and we eat from this leaf. And I want to tell you, second antioxidant rich is our cloves. Our cloves. These are all very, very cheap. In India, we get it for a penny. Okay, and see, this is cinnamon bark, Ceylon cinnamon bark, another antioxidant rich ancient medicine. And this is turmeric. I know the value of turmeric is increasing now. Okay, and see, I have got all this mixed. See, this is the jeera water used in Kerala for years and years. Okay, they put this and boil the water. They put this in the water, boil it and keep it aside. They drink only this water even today. So this is cumin seeds. And this is black jeera. This is black jeera. And this is ajwain. Ajwain is omam in Tamil. Okay. See, the antioxidant value for this is noted because it is all done by the Western world. So antioxidant value of this is not mentioned there. But we love this. Omam is in our culture for years together. So with or without modern medicine's approval, we will continue to take this. Take this. See, these may hurt your intestine. Viruses enter the human body through the mucous membrane, through the skin, through the lungs. Okay, so strengthen your system. Strengthen your system. So I want to introduce these cumin seeds. Very interesting. This is the common cumin seed. Okay. Now this is black jeera, kalonji. Okay, all have medicinal values. And this is Kashmiri shajira. Yes. Okay. They say it has the medicinal value. 300 medicinal properties. Kashmiri black jeera. Cumin seeds. It is light, it is very costly, but here we get it very, very cheap. Okay. See, this is 70 rupees, 50 grams. Okay. So $1. And they say this has 300 medicinal properties. See, even I too didn't believe that at first. Now, when the Western world says magnesium helps in 300 functions of the body, I readily believe that. These are forgotten medicines. Use them. Use them. Benefit from them. Take benefits. Okay, so this is black jeera. Okay, light, very light. Very aromatic. Okay. So, and I have another black jeera. So, 4 types of cumin seeds. Okay. Another black jeera which is from Afghanistan. Okay. So, this will be a little bitter, and I want to introduce to you the highest antioxidant value. This is this drumstick seeds. Okay, the black coverings over them are taken out. Okay, I think this is a modern stupidity. Don't take them in whole. Don't think you are cleaning them. If you clean, you may lose your nutrients. Okay, so this is cleaned, but no, don't clean. Take with their coverings which is digestible, because in sambar or in Indian cuisine, we boil the seeds. The drumstick is cut into pieces and put in the sambar, which is very tasty. We consume it along with the full seed. Okay, there it is cooked. It is raw here, and I want to talk to you about this beautiful betel leaves. Now I am using a lipstick. Before, the ancient Tamils used this for digestive purposes as well as for making their lips red. Yes, we all know. After some nice meal, we take this. What is this? Calcium bicarbonate. In those days, all Indians, Tamilians, see, they eat betel nut, betel leaf, and with calcium bicarbonate. We consume this regularly after food to strengthen us. This has medicinal value, this betel leaf. Okay, and see all these things. Okay, usually 5. Okay, this I don't include. This clove and ajwain, which is omam, and turmeric, and I have the copyright for this because it is my own creation, and all these 4 types of jeera, and this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I make powder them, no frying, nothing. Okay, they are all raw. So I make a powder out of them. Okay, and make a tea and make a tea and drink it happily. Very tasty. It can be consumed hot. It can be consumed hot. See all these things in your throat. See, the viruses multiply, bacteria multiply in our thorax, this neck region. Okay, in our pharynx, larynx, in our mouth. So if you enjoy and drink it slowly hot, then it can do wonders for your immune system. It will strengthen your immune system. See, this is a seashell. Seashell. Very, very natural thing. See, I am wearing a pearl. So go for all these things. Now, don't depend on pharmaceuticals, which are very, very recent. Don't depend on disinfectants, which are very, very recent. See, these viruses and bacteria will overcome them easily, you know. Even our highest antibiotics are overcome by the modern bacteria. See, we are using the 7th generation antibiotics. No use. We cannot control hospital infection. Yes, I lost my daughter due to that hospital infection. So go for these things, natural things. We can have the stamina to withstand any rogue virus. See, this is the powder I made 6 months back. Okay, 6 months back I went for cancer screening. My whole family, everybody's CA 19-9 was normal. CA19-9 indicates any cancerous cells, growth of abnormal cancerous cells in the body. See, cancer cells will be there in the body always. The immune system will fight against these cancer cells which naturally occur in the body and contain them. So no cancer. Okay, when the immune system fails, these cancer thrives and becomes big and kills us. So, see, this is the powder I have made out of these things. Okay, I told you I make a tea decoction with that and I drink it. I am doing this for the past 4 years, 5 years from the day I read about antioxidants. And 6 months back, I will show you my results. When I went for cancer screening, my CA19-9 was high. I was scared. I was referred for higher investigations. And my daughter-in-law, Rini, she told me, Auntie, don't worry. See, there is a recent study. A lady consuming lot of green tea has high antioxidant value. I mean, CA19, high 99. So then I thought, okay, maybe this thing is making my CA19-9 go up. Yes. Nowadays, only recently they say, yes, CA19-9 can go up when you have strong immunity. Okay, so I have scientific evidence also. Okay, India is a rich country with rich knowledge, Tamilians especially. Okay, I am proud of my culture and I want the whole world to know what I know. Okay, so ancient civilizations, they flourished, they thrived peacefully, they thrived happily, they thrived luxuriously with all their beautiful jewelry, flowers and everything. Modern plastics, okay. We know this is killing the planet. Coexist, learn to co-live. Don't go for exploitation. Don't go for war. Don't go against the nature. Viruses are our friends. Bacteria, we have to coexist. So coexist with the rats, coexist with the viruses, coexist with the bacteria. Then we can win. Just touch the subscribe button to see more of my videos. Okay, you can see whenever I publish my videos, you can see everyone, not to miss any. Okay, the choice is yours. If you want to see, see. Otherwise, don't see. The choice is yours. But please touch this beautiful subscribe button and the bell icon. Okay.